Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In the previous session, we ended on question number 45. So here we start with question number 46. The question says, if 101 base 2 plus 12 base y is equal to 23 base 5, find the value of y. So we just need to convert everything to base 10 and then we equate it, okay? Cool. So let's do that. How do we convert this to base 10? We just number the digits, okay? 0, 1, 0, 1, okay? Cool. So let's do that. 1 times 2 squared plus 0 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0. We have 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. We do the same thing for the other side. So this conversion is for which one? It's for this one. Okay. So now we're going to do for this one. Okay. So let's use yellow. So we have 1 times y power 1 plus 2 times y power 0 will give us what? Y plus 2. Finally, we do the conversion for this. What do we have? Let's use red. We have 2 times 5 exponent 1 plus 3 times 5 exponent 0. We have 10 plus 3, which is equal to what? 13. So now we equate them, okay? So we put them into the equation here. So this goes here, and this goes here, and then 13 goes here, okay? So we have 5 plus y plus 2 is equal to what? 13. So y will give us what? 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6. So our y is equal to 6, which is B. Okay. Well, let's move on to question number 47. It says, express this as a number in base 10. Very simple, right? Just need to convert to base 10. So we number this digits. Okay. So we have 2 times 6 squared plus 4 times 6 power 1 plus 5 times 6 power 0. This will give us what? 36 times 2, which is what? 72. 72 plus 4 times 6 will give us what? 24. 24. 24 plus 5 times 6 exponent 0 is 1. So 5 times 1 will give us what? 5. So we have 5 right here. 5. Okay, cool. So what do we have? 72 plus 29 will give us 101 base 10. Okay, so that's our answer, which is A. Cool. Let's move on to question number 48. It says, simplify this expression. 1 base 2 squared. This simply means what? 1 base 2 times 1 base 2. We just need to multiply 1 okay, times. What do we get? 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Then we move on to the next one. 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Now we add, we have 1 here, and then 1 plus 1 here. 1 plus 1 is going to give us what? 2. And 2 in base 2 is what? 1, 0. Okay, so we put the 0 here, and then the 1 comes here. Okay, 1 comes here. And we put the 0 right here. So now finally we have 1 plus 1 is what? 2. And 2 in base 2 is what? 1, 0. Okay, so you write 1, 0. So this is our answer. Okay, do we have it there? 1, 0, 0, 1, which is B. Cool. Let's move on to question number 49. It says, if 23 base x equal to 111 base 2, find the value of x. Okay, so we just need to convert everything into what? Base 10. Okay, how do you do that? Just number our digits. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we convert to base 10. Okay, So here we have 2 times x power 1 plus 3 times x power 0 give us what? 2x plus 3. Then we do it for the other side also. We have 1 times 2 exponent 3 plus 1 times 2 squared plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0. This will give us 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is what? 15. So we have 2x plus 3 is equal to what? 15. Okay? Because this adds up to 15, and that is what we have here. And then 2x plus 3 is right here. Okay? So we have 2x is equal to 15 minus 3. And x is equal to 12. So finally, x will give us what? Over 2, 6. 2 cancels out, okay? So x is equal to 6, which is B. I think we've seen this question previously, right? This same question, 23 base x equal to this. I think we've seen it previously. Let's check. Yes, we saw it previously. That's question number 44. And our answer was what? 6. So here, so our answer is what? 6. Okay, thank you so much for watching this session. In the next session, we'll move on to question number 50. Thank you so much. See you again in the next session. Bye.